How to plant leeks from seeds. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. How to plant leeks from seeds like this. So you can plant your leeks. You want to plant them about 6 to 8 weeks before last frost, and then you transplant it outdoor after that. So what we're gonna do is we have our seed starting mix right here. This is my seed starting mix. I make my own seed starting mix. I'll see if I can put a link in the description below for how you can make your own seed starting mix for pennies. So what we do is we have our seed starting mix. So what we're gonna do next is just plant the seeds. Here are the seeds. Let's get the seeds out like that. So like that, those are the seeds. I just put a few more. So we're gonna plant them with spacing. When you're planting them outside, you want to space them like 15 inches or so. But here, we want to plant them, or we're gonna plant them like half an inch deep, and then just cover it. And it takes about 10 to 15 days to germinate, but it's gonna be much shorter because of I'm gonna use the hydrogen peroxide on it to speed up the process. So what I'm gonna do is just start with we're just gonna, you can just sprinkle the seeds around, or you can just put them like that. Just gonna go in a circle right now, and then go inside another inside circle. So we can thin them out later on, or we can just let them grow, and then we just transplant them into either containers or outdoor. So we have our seeds right there. So that's fine, and just make sure that it's, so you can just water it like that. Or what I usually do is just to make sure that the seeds don't move too much, just take a little bit of seed starting mix and just sprinkle it on top like that. It keeps the seeds in place. Just a little bit, an inch or less than half an inch of seed starting mix on top. That should be fine. Then now we're just gonna water it. So you wanna water the seeds every time you plant. You want to water it so that way the seeds are moist and they start germinating as soon as. So you want to soak the soil or the seed starting mix, and in turn it's gonna soak the seeds. And also you want, if you're planting a lot of seeds, you want to make sure you label it. So I have my little nifty label here, leeks. I'm just gonna put it there like that, and we are done. So what I was saying to speed up the process is, what I usually do is I just take like a teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide, put it on the water like this, and just do a final sprinkle on it, and that gives a little bit of improves the germination process and speeds up the germination process a little bit. So I'm just gonna do that right now. So what I've done is I've added hydrogen peroxide to the solution, the water that I have, and I'm just gonna do one more layer of that, and that's gonna soak the seeds in that hydrogen peroxide solution, and the seeds are gonna germinate a lot faster. So we're done planting. So you want to put the container in a nice warm area or in a sunny area. If it's in the spring or winter, you want to put it in a nice sunny area. And after a couple of days, this is what you get, is seeds are coming out. It's been like 3 days. Seeds are coming out and it's looking good. Okay, if you like the channel, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. Okay, this is it after about a week and a half, 2 weeks. It's looking much better. The leeks are growing longer and bigger. Give it a couple more weeks, we should be able to transplant it into the garden. Usually about 5 or 6 weeks we should be able to transplant it. So we're gonna give it another couple of weeks, and just continue watering it regularly, and we should be fine. Okay, this is it after about 5 weeks. It's ready to be transplanted outside. It's all good. So now we're able to transplant it. You can transplant it into containers, into bigger containers, or you can transplant it into the garden. If you're transplanting into a container, you want to make sure that the container is deep enough, at least about 10 inches or twice the depth of this small container right here, so that the roots have more space, more room for them to grow, and the stems gonna do much better if you plant it very deep. Stay tuned for another video that's gonna be coming up soon. I'm gonna show you how to transplant it into the container and how I grow it and how I grow it in the garden. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.